RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Granger with me. He is such a sweetheart. Hey Granger, can you say hi? Say hi. He is the sweetest thing. Like, I just always want to squeeze you. Huh? You're such a good boy. He's like, I want this cape off. So we will get going. We're going to cut his hair. We're going to use the number 2. What's that, Granger? What's that? Can you hear it? Okay, so let me turn so I can show you. We're just going to take this off to about the top of his head here, and then we'll blend it here in a minute. He is such a good boy. Aren't you, Granger? Yep, perfect. Perfect. Oh, where's Mama?
What do?
He is such a happy baby. Oh my goodness. And he just turned 1. Awesome, awesome. Granger. He's like, wait, where are you? Oh, does it feel so good? Does it feel good? Okay. I think we got all of that side. All right, now I'm just gonna take, where did I? Oh, it's right here. Sorry, you guys. I was looking for my shears, but it was covered by cookies. Cookies. Ooh. Look. Beep, 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 beep. Am I getting you? Am I getting you? So you never know. You might have to use a toy or something to entertain your little one. Granger, he's such a good boy, huh? So then I would start back here. And just go with their head, huh? Wherever they go. I like to try to go to the middle and then to the side. Whoops. Let me grab the other one. And then the other side. But whatever you have to do is great. He's such a good boy. Hi, Granger. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Oh, he's such a sweetie. Yeah, we'll need to do a video on Sadie too. Her daughter, she's darling. Oh man, she's cute. So yeah, we will have to get one of her. Peekaboo. His hair grows so fast, huh?
Oh gosh, I know.
He's starting to get little bruises. So is he like trying to walk places?
He's trying to figure out how to walk.
Yeah. Gotta love that when they're trying to walk and they start bruising everywhere.
Yes.
Okay. So I cut it the one way. Now I'm just going back through the other way. Oh, you getting tired, little buddy? You're doing good. Yes, you are. What's that, Granger? What's that? What's that? Does that feel good? Huh? Okay, now we're going to take the sides. We're going to blend them. Okay, let's turn them this way if we can. Let's make sure that hair doesn't get in his eye. There we go.
Oh, sweet boy.
Oh, he's being so good. Does it feel good? He's like,
oh, that
relaxed.
feels good.
Oh my gosh, look at him. That's so funny, Granger. He's just like, yeah, I like it. Huh, buddy? Huh, buddy? Peekaboo. You see? He's like, wait, I need that. I need that. Okay. Now kind of hold the comb a little bit out so it's not too close, because then you'll take a chunk out. Okay, now let's turn him the other way. Awesome. What's it? What's that, bud? I mean, and if you get a 1-year-old that's gonna sit here like this, you are one lucky person. Hi.
Are you saying hi to yourself?
Where's Granger? Can you say hi? Say hi. Granger, say hi.
Hi.
What's that? What's that? What is that? Hi. Did you see yourself in the mirror? Hi. Who's that? Who's in there? Who's that?
Who's that boy?
All right, let me come this way. Just to blend this a little better.
Who's that?
Wow, he is doing so good. Ooh. Ooh. Hi. Hi, handsome. I love when he just lays back like you.
I know. Like,
Yeah.
oh, this smells great.
Yeah, exactly. Like, just keep going. Okay, now what we'll do is come by his little ears. What's this? What is that, buddy? Huh? Just go around his little ears. And then his neck. Okay, we'll turn him this way. There you go. Good job, buddy. Come around his ear. Turn him just a little bit more. Perfect. Thank you.
Yep.
Granger, good boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us, huh? Little cutie. Okay, so now we are going to do a hard line for his haircut. How cute is that? Okay, turn you this way a little bit. Hey, Granger, are you telling us stories? You telling us stories?
Who's in there?
Where's Granger?
Who's in there?
Where's Granger?
Oh my goodness, who is that?
Okay, so I'm just coming forward. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Yeah, tell him, say hi. I'm handsome. I'm handsome. Yes, I'm handsome. Okay. Just gonna do, just coming up with this hard line. Okay, now I'm just going to take the number 2 back on here. And then I'm going to come back through here and take that tighter. Hi, handsome. Oh, what a cutie. Okay, guys, I'm just taking this shorter back here. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Do you have a big boy haircut? Oh, so tired. So tired. Okay, let me just check this back. Just bringing this back up. If you can just switch in
Yes.
this way. Perfect, thank you. And like I said, what 1-year-old sits here and lets somebody do this? How nice is he? He's so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, handsome. I'm just gonna do this instead of the blow dryer so it doesn't scare him. the new Flexi Hold Gel. Just gonna take a little bit of that. Hi. Granger, can you tell me? Hi.
Say hi.
What you doing, huh? You handsome little thing. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay, there's cute little Granger and his haircut. Okay, I'm just going to take this a little shorter on this side. Huh. Yes. Look at him just yawning. Oh, you're such a good boy. Just yawn instead of cry. Okay. Yeah, tell him. Tell him. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, you're all done. Look, we can take this off so you guys can see how cute he is. There we go, Granger. Hey, can you tell him bye-bye?
Say
Say bye. Bye-bye. See ya. You guys, thank you so much for watching. On YouTube and my website, it's Boys and Girls Hairstyles. So go ahead and subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions. I would love to do videos on what you would like. So talk to you next time. Thank you. See ya.
Bye.